you are new to FPV and you wonder what's the impact of camera angle when you fly your FPV drone, then stay connected to this video. I'll go from 0 degree to 45 degrees and we'll try at the end of the video to define which is which. Let's go. So I'm just going to start with a 0 degree angle. Just going to check if it's flyable. Let's go. Honestly, I never tilt my camera this way, and what I like about it is that we can see props, which is not what we want. It's very slow, and the joystick seems to be not useless. I would not say useless, but it's like, okay, so the more you put the throttle joystick on, the more you go up. So you go up, but you don't fly that fast. So that 0 degree angle is just, I think, if you like just starting FPV and you want to fly slow, might be the way to go for you. So I'm not going to stay at it for a long time. We'll switch to 10 degrees, but it's like convenient to land with it. Okay, let's switch to 10 degrees. Okay, let's see if there's a difference. Okay, I cannot see what's in front of me. I just can see the ground. So it depends what you plan to like film. It's a little bit faster, but there's not a big difference. And I still don't use the joystick to turn left or to turn right. I tend to use the roll joystick and push the throttle up. So not a big difference. Still, I would say 10 degrees if you plan to fly slowly. That's the way to go, but it's more convenient when you want to land. So it has the 0 degree angles. Let us switch to 20 degrees. Yeah, much faster than 0 degree and 10 degrees. Okay, the joystick becomes to be like useful or usable. Yeah, all good. So I can fly a little bit faster. This is not the fastest I can go, but it looks like what I like, the way I used to fly. So yeah, 20, I would define like the 20 degree angles has a slow cinematic. This is how I would define it. Let me try to land it. Yeah. So I would say under 20 degrees it's easier to land the drone because you can see what's in front of you. But the downside of flying under 20 degrees is that the FPV drone is very slow and you cannot see what's in front of you. You see what's underneath you. So it depends what you plan to shoot. Let's switch to 30 degrees. Let us go. Yeah, I would define like the 30 degrees as a more aggressive cinematic. Yeah. Now I can use the yaw joystick if I want to turn left or right. The drone is much faster. So I think around 30 degrees, this is where I would maybe try to do some freestyle flight around 30. I'm not saying I'm 100% right, but it's just my insights, what I think. Yeah, I like it. I like 30. Like 30. Just going to try to land it. Yeah, just be careful. Yeah. Okay, let's switch to, come on, 40. Okay, now this is what we call, yeah, this is the angle I would use if I was to do some like races and stuff like that. This is, I would like tilt my camera around that angle. 40, max 45, because I've tried to go above 45 for like the level I am at. I cannot do it yet. It's too like jerky, it's too aggressive. 40 is okay. The same problem as when you tilt up above 20 degrees, is not easy to land. You need to put the drone like this to be able to land the drone. So I won't go above 45 degrees. So yeah, definitely 45 degrees. You want to fly fast. You see what's in front of you. Let me land. Let us do a recap. You want to fly slow, tilt your camera angle between 0 to 20. If you want to fly like cinematic, I would define it around 25 to 30. It's up to you, you decide. You want to do freestyle, maybe tilt your camera around 35. And if you plan like to do like races with your FPV drone, 45. I would not advise you to go above 45 because you need to be a really good pilot, because it's going to be like really aggressive. So that's all I have for today. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay connected to this channel. Cheers, guys.